my dear students. How are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for a maths class. So, please take out your maths book, that is hands on mathematics. So, we just started with multiplication in our last class. We have revised our tables and we have learned our new tables, that is table number 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10 and 11 also. Okay, so today we are going to revise our table number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then we are going to start with our work. So table number 6, say it with me. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 50. So what is multiplication? When we are adding same number again and again, that is known as multiplication. You are adding 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 6, 42, 42 plus 6, 48, 48 plus 6, 54, 54 plus 6, 60. So you're adding 6 again and again. So it's a table of 6. Table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Means we are adding 7 again and again. Means 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 7, 42, 42 plus 7, 49, 49 plus 7, 56, 56 plus 7, 63, 63 plus 7, 70. Means when we'll add 7 9 times, when we'll add 7 9 times, means 7 plus 7 plus 7. In this particular manner, when I'm going to add 7 9 times, I will get 63. So to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it will take time. Otherwise, if I know my tables, that is 9 sevens are or 7 nines are, means 63. Getting this point? Then table of 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Means we are adding 8, 8, 8, 8. And when we'll add 8 6 times, we will get 48. When we'll add 8 10 times, we will get 80. Okay, so table number 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. So there are many things in table number 9 which we have discussed in our last class, that the sum of each is 9. Yes, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the reverse numbers 45, 54, 36, 63, 27, 72, 18, 81. Now only number 9 and 90. Okay, so this table number 9 and till 8 nines are, you know, if you know the table number 8 till table number 8, you can write 9 table very easily. Getting this point? And table of 10 will be 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, means tens. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100 will be your answer. 10 tens are 100. Similarly, Table number 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88, 11 nines are 99, and 11 tens are 110. So now what we are going to do, we are going to start with the exercise on page number 52. So first of all, you're always going to write the bigger number in the first line of the grid. For example, 24. This is T, this is 0 and 2 here. And multiple sign is cross. Multiple sign cross, cross. Getting this point? Two diagonal line crossing each other. That this is multiple sign. So multiplication का sign पता चल गया. Now what you're going to do? First of all, you're going to multiply this 2 with this 4. Please concentrate on your screens. You're going to multiply this 2 with this 4. You're going to multiply this 2 with this 4. 2 fours are, 2 fours are, give me the table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. And you're going to write this ones place value. 2 fours are 8. You're going to write this 8 in ones place value. Because you are multiplying this 2 with ones. Now you're going to multiply this 2 with tens. पहले 2 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, फिर 2 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, क्योंकि ये नंबर दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है ना, तभी वो आंसर देगा. सो मीन्स हम 24 को 2 टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं. मीन्स हम 24 को कितने टाइम्स ऐड कर रहे हैं? 2 टाइम्स. सो 2 2s are 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, and this 4 will come in tens. Why? Because this 2 is multiplying with tens, so answer भी किस में आएगा? Tens में आएगा. When you're multiplying 2 with ones, your answer will come in ones. If you're multiplying 2 with tens, your answer will come in tens. So you always start your multiplication from ones place value. Getting this point? Okay. So your answer will be 48. Now we are going to do this particular thing in your book itself. Okay. So 24 here, 2 here. Multiply 2 fours are? Yes. 2 twos are? Your answer is 48. And you can check when we are adding 24 plus 24, 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 2, 4. Means we are adding 24 2 times. We are adding 24 2 times. Okay? Nine. Now 98 multiplied by 1 means anything multiplied by 1, number itself will come. Multiplication with 1 means number itself. Remember this. So 98. Anything multiplies with 1, number itself will come. 21 multiplied by 4. First of all, you're going to multiply this. 4 ones are 4. Now you're going to multiply this. 4 twos are 4 twos are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Your answer is 84. Your answer is 84. This means we are adding 21 4 times. Okay? Question number D, everyone. 31 multiply by 3. First of all, you're going to multiply it like this. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Yes, your answer is 93. Means we are adding 31 3 times. Question number E, everyone. 11 and 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. Table number 11. 9 11s are 11 9s are 99. Then F, 12 multiplied by 3 means we are adding 12 three times. We are adding 12 three times. So 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Very good, everyone. Doing very good. Now page number 53. Now page number 53. 211 multiplied by 3. 211 multiplied by 3. So first of all, you're going to multiply 3 with ones. 3 ones are 3. Now with tens, answer will come here. 3 ones are 3. Now with hundreds, answer will come here. 3 twos are 6. Means you are adding 211 three times. And your answer will be 633. Now question number B. 112 multiplied by 3 means first of all multiply this and answer will come here. 3 twos are 6. Multiply this, answer will come here. 3 ones are 3. Multiply this by 2, answer will come here. 3 twos are 6. Your answer is 636. Don't make these arrows. I'm just telling you how to do this. Okay. Then 221 multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4. Multiply 4 twos are 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Again 4 twos are 8. Your answer is 884. Your answer is 884. Question number D, everyone. 111 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Means we are adding 111 5 times. Or you can say you are adding 5 111 times. You are adding 5 how many times? 111. Okay. Question number E, everyone. 131. Multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3. Multiply 3 threes are, answer will come here. 9 and 3 ones are 3. Your answer is 393. Then question number F. 121 multiply by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Means 242. Getting this point? So in this particular manner, you're going to do your page number 52 and 53. And you're going to learn and revise your tables. So please take out your diaries, everyone. So please take out your diaries. In your diaries, you're going to write today's date. In maths column, do page number 52 and 53. Learn tables 2 to 11. Learn tables 2 to 11. So to complete your work, in next class, we are going to learn more about multiplication. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.